Okay, now we're gonna thread the machine. Let's see if I get this right. Pull it through there. Ooh, go through there. Bring it on through here. On through. Then it's a little thing to catch back there. Okay. Then this is number 5. So just kind of put it right in the hole. I do have a threader in there though that shows you how to thread. Okay, let's kind of do this. My needle looks like it hit something, so I might take my needle out and do another one. Looks kind of crooked. There you go, it's in. Okay, and then kind of pull it through. And then there's a little there so that it goes through and everything's good. And you bring it up with your hand, bring it back down. Everything's working good. Again, I'm using the Brother CS7000X. Okay, now putting the bobbin in. So we want the thread to go this way. This way. Okay. So we just drop the bobbin in there, bring it through here, and then put the top on. Don't cut it or anything, and it's all good to go. So we're all good. So now just let me go. I'm gonna cut the darts on my clothes and go through all the outlines, make sure all the notches match before I start sewing. Bye.